If you own an HVAC company in California, here's the best workers' comp carrier in 2024. Now, the carrier changes their pricing depending on your location, your payroll, and if you've had any claims in the past. But the number one best carrier has been Employers for all HVAC companies. Other carriers will offer you quotes, but that does not mean it is as cheap as this other carrier. So make sure that you are approaching this market. If your broker isn't doing that, reach on out to us. We have great relationships with the underwriters, which will give you the best pricing. So be sure to give us a call so you're not leaving money on the table.